Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. A company named Ringke approached me to review their stainless steel metal band for my Galaxy Watch Active 2, and in this video I'll review it and show how to adjust and easily install it. So let's get started. If you're someone new to our channel, please consider subscribing to our channel as we do regular videos like this one, smartwatch and smartphone reviews, tech tutorials and much more. Also check out our playlist tab to find categorized videos for various content we post on this channel, where you'll find a playlist exclusively for Galaxy Watch Active with 26 plus videos, so be sure to check it out. Ringke, who is a forefront in developing premium and awesome accessories for smartwatches and smartphones, reached out to me to review their newest stainless steel metal band for Galaxy Watch Active 2 44mm, and they sent me this unit which I will be reviewing today. For your information, just so you guys know, I was not influenced by any means to bias my review, except for the fact that they sent me this review unit for free. So the objective of today's video is to review the unboxing experience, review the product and show you guys how to adjust and install this metal band, and lastly provide my honest opinion and testing it out on my wrist. So at the time of making this video, the metal band by Ringke is not yet available anywhere except their own website, and it's listed for US $44.99. Price and availability may vary depending on the time you are watching this video, but for now I have linked their website in the description of this video, and I'll also update the Amazon links once they are available. So it came in this nice premium packaging. Looking at the box gives me a good first impression about the brand and also justifies the price. So it's not a cheap cardboard box. Let's go ahead and open it up. So there is a pull tab to pull the whole thing out. Once pulled out, you will see this elegant packaging revealing the stunning stainless steel metal band, and there is also a note to congratulate on the ownership. Pretty nice attention to detail, I really appreciate it. Now it's not just the band, I also got this metal band adjuster in a bag, and there is something about this bag I need to show you. Look, it's recyclable and made out of an eco-friendly plastic which is biodegradable. That's really awesome for $1.45. Now I will show you how to use this metal band adjuster later in this video, so stay tuned. So the unboxing experience in my opinion is premium for the price you pay. Now let's have a look at the band itself. I really like the finishing, the smoothness of the edges, and the overall sturdiness. I'm pretty sure once you hold it, you will feel that it's not some random cheap band. Ringke is also not too heavy on branding, like there is a subtle logo on the center, and there is a full logo at the back of the one touch release buckle, and it even reiterates that it's made of stainless steel, and it's quite reassuring. So to open the band, you just have to press against the one touch release buckle to separate the logo. Now let's see how easy it is to install it on the watch. So for the installation, on both ends you have this dual spring system for ease with installation. This in my opinion is way better than the single spring mechanism like for this band. Either way, personally I would never go with any watch band with a spring bar without a handle as shown over here, as installing such band would be burdensome and you may even risk popping your eye with the spring bar. Well, you are safe here with Ringke. Let's go ahead and put it on. So the easiest way to put it on is push the handle towards each other and just slide the end to the watch. The same implies for taking it off. Let me show it to you few times. Now Now let's go ahead and install the other end. Okay, so this definitely makes the smartwatch look like a premium mechanical watch, and if you have a metallic watch face like this one, it will add on to the aesthetics. One other thing I noticed is that there is no gap between the body and the band, which will not be the case for any regular band as shown over here. And to me, the blend of the band to the watch over here is incredible, and frankly to me the contrast of the black over the silver is great. This band is not light, it is slightly heavy, obviously because it's made of stainless steel. So the band itself weighs about 92 grams, and with the watch it will weigh around 123 grams. So keep that in mind. I would say it's definitely not a deal breaker. Let's put it on the wrist and see how it looks. Looks awesome. However, the band is slightly loose, or I would say my wrist is not big enough, which leads us to the next part of the video. How to adjust the length of the band with the metal adjuster. So let me show you how to adjust, and we'll wrap this video up with my final opinion. Now if you look at the back of the band, you will see few interconnected links with an arrow on it. And if we have a look on them from the side, it will make sense that they have a hole for the pin which holds the links together. So that being said, you can only remove the links that have holes or arrows, and that's why they provided this metal band adjuster. So basically the adjuster has a push pin with a screw mechanism to pop the pin holding the links together. They also have provided an extra pin at the back in a secret compartment. Let me show it to you. The adjuster also has a spring-loaded base to accommodate the links. Now I personally would say this adjuster is way better than the classic hammer as shown over here, which comes with most of the metal bands, the cheap ones, where you have to hammer the pin out, and to me the screw mechanism seems more effective. So let's go ahead and pop few links off. Now when you put the links back, make sure that the rounded part of the pin goes in first, because you will need the flat part facing out so you can easily push the pin inside with the adjuster. Let me show it to you. So let's go ahead and put the watch on, and it fits perfect. So my final opinion with this stainless steel band, metal band, is that it's premium for the price you pay. It's highly durable, it looks contemporary and stylish, so I will be definitely using this band on a daily basis at my work. It may not look that great for workouts, but I have other bands which I can use for workouts, as it's really easy to snap this band off and on. So I will definitely recommend this band. This band will look great with the Ringke bezel styling, which has a metallic finish with a textured surface as shown over here, Ringke has sent me few bezels to review as well, so I won't be putting it on in this video, but the next video will be the review for the Ringke bezels. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the upcoming videos where I'll show you how this bezel will look with the stainless steel metal band. So I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up, and maybe give it a thumbs up anyways as an appreciation to our effort for making this video. It really means a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos, and take care. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.